Good afternoon, it's Gary from BitandIron.com coming to you from Vancouver Island. Today I'm going to show you this 2007 John Deere 225 CLC RTS excavator. It has 5,600 hours. There is 40% left on the tracks. It has a stump pan, hoe pack plumbing, dual control for cat and deer, BMI flops, HKS joystick with proportional inflow cab selection. It has an extra light package. It has an accurate 30-inch digging bucket, heavy duty, and a 60-inch cleanup bucket. It has a progressive link hydraulic thumb, a stick doubler plate, a hydraulic quick coupler, and full flotation rock guards. We're going to show you this unit in operation here, and we're going to do a general walk around of the unit as well. And there you have it. Another great piece of iron from BitandIron.com. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.